Hey guys, my name is Zoe. Welcome back to SlothMotion. Today we have episode 2 of the making of the Harry Potter classroom. Let's get to it. Now that the room is done, let's make the books that would go on the bookshelf. I printed the covers on cardstock and I did them based on the house colors. After cutting them, I glued them to a double foam because mine was too thin. Then I cut them to size. I then printed a page image to cover the foam showing on the sides. That way they look more realistic and complete. So that, the foam wasn't crusty and musty on the outside. Let's put them on the shelf with some balloon tape as a temporary hold, which are honestly my favorite because they're really easy to take off and they're clear. Let's make this shelving pop with a stack of the Daily Prophet. We printed out some cute posters of Harry Potter and glued them back to back. Look how cute these look. I'm really proud of how they looked at the end. Let's see how they look when we fold them together. Let's try to make a stack. Maybe if we tie them together, they'll probably look better. Hopefully. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Let's put them on the shelf. Yep. Ooh, we also used some of the potion wrappers too to make some stacks too. That actually looks pretty good, to be honest. Remember these 3D puffy stickers that we got from the Dollar Tree? We're back to use them again to make some big books. I put some foam in them and used the pages again to put them on the sides of the foam. Let's make another big book, but with realistic pages in the inside. Let's use some contact paper to stick them better. These are all the pages. I think some of them are really cute. I like them all. We tried to make it look used and abused. Kind of. I think it looks pretty good though. What do you guys think? Now let's make the Monster Book of Monsters. We printed out the top and the mouth and put it on a piece of foam with the pages. We put some eyes. And thank you to our pet Biscuit for donating some of his hair that he's been shedding for a while now. That's a lot of hair. His face is a little full. His eyes are peeking out. We printed out some posters, future potion making in the classroom. Put them as storage so they can use them when they're making their potions. And we put some on the wall too. Very cute, I like them. We used a cauldron, a table bottom, and put them together to make it have a stand. This is very cute. Remember these? If you can guess, yes, these are our old potion bottles from the last potion classroom that we did in the Monster High building. Some of them are dried out, and I kind of like that. So I'm only gonna fill a few of them to make it look like they were used. We also got some new ones from Target, and this one I'm gonna fill some of them up so they look filled and they're not just empty. I like how these ones are brown. They give a different touch to the potion shelves. They're not all the same color. That's a lot of potions. I used the same balloon tape to stick them on the shelves so they're not fully permanent. Let's start by putting some tables in this room from the last video, of course. We got this crate box from Dyson, and I think it'll be a perfect match for the cauldrons. Everything fits perfect. Let's put it in the corner. Cute. This table we also got from Dyson. I'm thinking it could hold the larger books since they don't really fit on the shelves. Remember this? This is the stand from our last potion room. We're gonna use it for the Monster Book of Monsters. These are the posters from the Harry Potter potions, and we're gonna use these as starter kits for people that are starting their potions. So leave them on their tables for instructions. The potions on this table for people like making potions, and we use the balloon tape to stick them on so they're not permanent. I think this looks really cute. This is going to be our centerpiece. Let's add a few more finishing touches to this table. Can't forget the cauldron, of course, and the mixing spoon. Oh, it seems like they're making a potion. Some of these bigger bottles don't fit on the shelves, so we're just gonna put them on the side with the cauldron. We're gonna put some rocks on the table stand of the cauldron to make it look like they were using it and to hold it down. We'll put these for instructions and starter kits for the students making their potions. And there we have it. Looks very cute for this room so far. Incoming Professor Snape, my favorite character in the Harry Potter movies so far. He is not pixelated at all, and he also has wrinkles, which is surprising. I haven't really seen much dolls with wrinkles lately. He also has bags under his eyes. Snape, are you getting enough sleep? And his hair suits him very well since it's plastic. He has very much articulation except for at his ankles. And his shirt has faux buttons and is not connected with the pants or with the cape. So everything is indeed separate. The wand fits its hand perfectly. I thought it was going to be a little smaller. And everything in the back velcros nicely. Professor Snape has a very angry look at me, like he's gonna get me in detention or something, but that's okay. He's ready to teach. I definitely want to be in his class if it looked this good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Overall, what was your favorite thing in the Potions classroom? Comment down below. Also, comment, do you like long or short videos better? I want to hear your guys' ideas so we can do better for you. Make sure to like and subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi! Oh my gosh. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also, comment down below. Oh my gosh, I messed it up! Stop yelling! I'm trying to record. I'm back. Anyways. You're so annoying.
One more.
No!
One more.
Did you see how he was doing?
No.
He was like,
It's weird.
shh. Hope you guys. Ah! Thank you guys for watching. Bye.